Hi there, YouTube. This is me opening a couple packs of, or a few packs of Pokemon. I got myself 4 packs of one Unleashed, one Platinum Rising Rivals, Supreme Victors. And here's the Platinum Rising Rivals, and here's the Platinum Arceus. I'll open that one first, I guess. See what we get. I got my 2 Entei figurines here. One, two, three, five. I think that's the reverse, and that's the rare. Alright, let's see what we get. We got a Trico, a Cherubi, a Rattata, a Bagon, that's nice, a Burmy, an Energy Restore, that'll go good with my fire deck, a Manectric, and a Haunter, exactly what I needed. Thank you for my Gengar level X deck. Alright. And our reverse would be a Grovyle. Alright. So not a rare, but pretty good. And we got a Glalie. That kind of sucked, but whatever. Not bad. At least I got the card I wanted, right? And, yeah. Just separate those. Reverse. There. Alright, and then we'll go on to. Why not? We'll just do Unleashed. Get that one over with. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have a Misdreavus, an Onix, a Riolu, a Poliwag, a Sparrow, an Energy Returner. Nice. Search your discard pile for 4 basic energy cards, show them to your opponent, and shuffle them into your deck. Nice. Pupitar, that's nice. And, oh, nice, an interviewer's question. It's always good. And this would be the reverse. Oh, sick. A Kingdra Prime. It's amazing. Yeah, I don't have one of these yet. It'll go good with my Feraligatr Kingdra Blissey deck. I'll show you all my decks later on, considering this is my first video. But yeah, pretty good start. Put that over there with the primes. And a Beedrill. Ooh, that's a good twin needle. Yeah. Oh, my dog just walked in. Whatever though. Alright, that was definitely a good pack. It was worth it. Next, Platinum Supreme Victors. One, two, three, 4. Let's go. We have a Shinx, Chimchar, a Combi, a Piplup, a Shroomish, Manectric SP or G, pretty nice, a Ninjask, and a Hippopotamus. Don't know how to say that. Anyways, this will be a reverse. A Walmer, not a rare, but still pretty good, right? And we got a Camerupt G. Yeah, not exactly what I was hoping for, but Kingdra Prime was still nice. Alright, and one last pack, Supreme Victors, come on. I'm honestly hoping for a Flygon level X, but you know how unlikely that's gonna be. Alright, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we have a Spheal, a Nidorano, a Kecleon, a Nidoran, a Houndoom, oh nice, a Technical Machine G, a Sunshore City Gym, and a Machamp GL. Alright, let's see what we got for the reverse. I think this is the reverse. And a Celio. It's alright. Not a rare. It's common, actually. It's kind of weird. Anyways. And a Espeon SP. So yeah, a lot of the packs weren't that great, but Kingdra Prime, in my opinion, made up for it. Exactly what I wanted. And so let's just recap on the rares that I got. Not really a holo except for the prime, but still good. I got SP on SP, Camerupt GL, or sorry, Camerupt G, a Beedrill with Twin Needles, which is nice, and a Glalie. Don't like that card. And now reverse. I got a Celio, a Whelmer, got a lot of reverse waters, and a Grovyle. And for the piece de resistance, or resistance, whatever, a Kingdra Prime. Nice. Happy I got that card. And no, it's not for trade, because, well, I don't have one, so I can't really trade it. And so, yeah. Thanks for watching YouTube, and I'll be posting up new vids of me opening packs and my decks and my trade binder and all that stuff. Alright. Peace.